Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, I'll take you to some of the most exciting and fun places to visit with kids in New Zealand South Island. And yes, that includes Christchurch too. These are not your usual spots. You'll see nature, adventure, and little surprises that will make you want to pack your bags right away. So stay tuned and don't forget to drop your thought in the comment section below. New Zealand is known for its stunning nature, and it's all true. We visited many family-friendly places, and I've grouped them into 6 fun categories. Let's start. First one, lunch at the glacier, a picnic like no other. Yes, we actually had lunch right next to the glacier. We bought a simple food, such as sandwich and even instant noodles, and head out to these epic spots. First stop is Glacier Viewpoint. You just need to park, walk a few steps, and boom, the view hits you. Mountain, fresh air, and glacier in front of your eyes. We even saw the star at night, captured using just an iPhone. Next is Mount Cook National Park, or Aoraki. There's a museum, a cool replica of a mountain hunt, and quiet picnic table with glacier view. The bonus part is there's a soft grassy field where kids can run wild, after finishing their lunch of course. Lastly, Franz Josef Glacier. It was a bit muddy when we went there, but the view near the Blowholes River Bridge was still magical. Second category is nature that make you say wow. These places are unlike anywhere else. The nature really show off here. First stop in this category is Milford Sound, also known as a crying mountain. Why? Because hundreds of waterfalls run down the cliffs. My kids ask, why is the mountain crying? Sweet, innocent, and it's got us all thinking. Next is Purakaunui Falls. It's quiet 3-level waterfall. It's just a 10 minutes easy walk from the car park. The sound of the waterfall really feels like a nature lullaby. Next is the Pancake rock and Blowhole. The rock stack really like pancake. It's formed over 30 million years ago. Kids will be full of questions like how, why, and can we eat this pancake? Wow, it's really fun. Try to go there during the high tide so you can go there and watch the water show. Next is Hokitika Gorge. The water here is a bright blue-green from a melted glacier water mixed with fine rock powder. But however, you cannot swim here. It's very cold and wild. But the view is really totally worth the walk. Our third category is swim under the sky, or in other words, lake adventures. We found peaceful lakes where kids can splash around and we can just breathe and relax. First is Lake Rotoroa. It's a quiet and calm lake. You can dip your feet and spot big eel and ducks glinting on mirror-like water. Next is Lake Te Anau. My kid love this lake because of the float planes. It's not every day you can see planes on the water. Next is Lake Hāwea. It has a clear water and fewer people. It's perfect for swimming, rock throwing, and just being free. But always keep an eye on your kids. Some parts are deep. Lastly, the famous Lake Tekapo. This lake looks straight out of a fairy tale. Blue water, mountain view, and a tiny stone church that's one of the most photographed places in New Zealand. But beware, there's a lot of crowd also in this place. Our next category is a roadside wonder, seen from the car window. In New Zealand, even the roads are full of surprises. You can see mountains, river, sheep in open field, even wild lavender. Don't rush, you can just stop and take it in. You just need to be on the road and Look out and stand by for exciting things on the road. Park your car and just enjoy it. Our fifth category is cities all around. From small to big, here are the cities. First stop, Christchurch. It's a big city vibe with a touch of a history. It has a lot of interesting places such as Riverside Market, Bridge of Remembrance, and Cathedral. Next is Dunedin. This is the second largest city in the south. We visited a giant cathedral and then drove to a Baldwin Street. What is a Baldwin Street? It's one of the steepest streets in the world. It's scary, but it's really fun. And then we have Nelson City. We only go to the Trafalgar Square. In the Trafalgar Square, there's a mix of old churches and busy markets. Next is Queenstown. It's called as the Alps of the South. It's really touristy in this city. It's an adventure central with a lot of bungee jumping, jet boats, and fancy cafes all around. Lastly is a small city of Oamaru. There's a Sunday market here. The Sunday market is very fun. It also have a live music, and on top of that, they have a quirky steampunk HQ where you can see art meets a fun science fiction. Our last category is road ride and rail. Although we use a rental car for most of our trip, we also try two awesome rides in this Christchurch. The first one is the Christchurch Tram. This one is a charming tram right through the city main spot. Full ride is about 50 minutes, but my kid get bored after 30 minutes. Tips to enjoy this tram: just ride, explore, and hop on again later. The ticket is for the whole day. Last is Christchurch Gondola, a cable car to the top of Mount Cavendish. It has an amazing view, and on the summit, you can follow the time tunnel attractions. It's very interesting. There's also a hiking option too. You can skip the gondola and just walk up if you feel sporty. So there you go, our top 6 category for exploring South Island, New Zealand with kids. Want to know what to pack and prepare for your on-road trip? Do wait for my next video. I will put the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, do hit like and share it with your travel buddies. Leave your comment on your favorite places or tell me about where do you love us to go next. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-time travel stories, fruit-cleanly adventures, and stress-free holiday tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.